In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Dropbox Drive from your PC. If you want to disconnect Dropbox from your computer without deleting the files stored in your online account, this is a simple process and only takes a moment. The important thing to understand is that you are removing the Dropbox Drive connection from the PC, not erasing your cloud files. Your content will still remain available in your Dropbox account online. To begin, look at the taskbar on your computer, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Find the Dropbox icon there and click it to open the Dropbox menu. If you don't immediately see the icon, you may need to click the small arrow in the taskbar to show hidden icons. Once the Dropbox panel opens, you'll be able to access the account settings. Next, click your profile picture inside the Dropbox window. This opens a menu with additional options related to your account and app settings. From that menu, select Preferences. This is where Dropbox stores the main controls for how the app behaves on your computer. Inside Preferences, go to the Account tab. This section shows the Dropbox account currently linked to the PC and gives you the option to remove that connection. Look for the button that says Sign Out or Unlink this computer. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Dropbox, but both options serve the same purpose here. Click that option to begin removing Dropbox Drive from the computer. A confirmation message will usually appear to make sure you want to continue. This is a normal safeguard, so just review the prompt and confirm the action. Once you confirm, Dropbox will disconnect from the PC. This removes the Dropbox Drive access from that computer, but it does not delete the files stored in your Dropbox account online. That means you can still sign in from a browser or reconnect the account later if needed. If your goal is simply to stop seeing Dropbox Drive in File Explorer or to remove syncing access from this device, this method is the correct one. Just remember that local Dropbox availability on the PC may change after the account is unlinked, but your online files stay safely stored in the cloud, and that's it. That's how to remove Dropbox Drive from your PC while keeping your files MHHD online in your Dropbox account.